Now, get ready to witness the vibrant classical moves of Vamika Lamba, a Kathak and a contemporary dancer with 15 years of experience. She has worked with numerous celebrities and was the choreographer for the famous song DJ Wala Babu by Badshah. An international performer, Vamika has showcased her talent at the Commonwealth Games in Australia and the Oman Hockey Tournament and has shared the stage with many celebrated artists. It's an absolute honor to have her on the stage with us today. So please give her a huge round of applause. And along with her, there's another small cutie pie joining her called Charvel. Please give them a huge round of applause.
शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम। अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम।
Sa ni da ma ga sa, da ni sa ga.